Hey everyone, welcome back to Seigneurens Studio. I'm JB.
And I'm Lucy. Today, we're diving into Proverbs 7 from the Bible and exploring the wisdom it has to offer for young people, whether you're a believer or just curious about life advice.
So grab your Bible or listen along as we break down this chapter.
Proverbs 7 is a cautionary tale about the dangers of being seduced by immoral temptations and the importance of wisdom and understanding. It's a timeless message that speaks to everyone, especially young people in search of guidance.
Verses 1 to 5 emphasize the importance of embracing wisdom as your sister and understanding as your kinswoman. It's a poetic way of saying that wisdom and understanding should be so close to us, like our family members.
That's right. When we treat wisdom and understanding like cherished family members, they'll help protect us from making poor choices or falling into dangerous situations.
The next section of the chapter tells a story of a young man who is lured by a seductive woman, representing immoral temptations. He's described as being void of understanding and unable to resist her advances.
This part of the chapter serves as a warning to be vigilant against immoral influences and to seek wisdom to avoid falling into a trap that leads to destruction.
Verses 24 to 27 conclude the chapter with a strong call to action. It urges us to pay attention to these teachings and avoid going astray in the paths of the immoral, who can bring about our downfall.
It's a powerful reminder that wisdom and understanding are our best defenses against the dangers and pitfalls of life.
So what can we take away from Proverbs 7? It's essential for young people like us to seek wisdom and understanding in our lives.
Absolutely. By doing so, we can avoid the traps of immoral temptations and lead a life that's true to our values and beliefs.
So how can we apply the wisdom of Proverbs 7 to our lives? Here are some practical tips.
First, make a conscious effort to seek wisdom and understanding in your daily life. This can be done through reading, studying, and reflecting on the Bible, as well as engaging in thoughtful conversations with others who share your faith.
Second, surround yourself with positive influences and mentors who can guide you on your spiritual journey. Build a community that supports your values and helps you grow in wisdom.
And finally, be vigilant and mindful of the choices you make. Remember that wisdom and understanding can protect you from the pitfalls of immoral temptations.
We hope you've found this exploration of Proverbs 7 insightful and that it has given you some valuable life advice to consider.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Seigneurens Studio for more engaging and informative content like this. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.